Tallismäät. Nou, daar gaat dat. Je moet daar niet binnen zijn, mannen. Nog één.
Oh,
Pak hem op, blijf dat fladderen.
Come on, go. Come on, go.
Die jongen van aan auto?
Juist dat. Nee, te wet. Want de ene was het.
Ja.
Come on, go.
Dat is de grote.
Ja, wat is dan dat vinden? Die grote dat vinden, vierde. Ja, dat vind ik van boven echt, ja. Hey, kom on, go. En daar is het. Hey, kom. Daar kan we even onder. Come on, go. Zie je dat dat graag is? Hey, kom. Hey, kom on, go. Dan mag ik wel een binding over. Hey, kom. Kom maar op, go.
Amai. Dat is neig, maar wel veel te laat.
Dan vinden ze rapportage vandaag. Ah, hier is nog een, dat is dat van mijn jaren toertjes, ja.
Want hij kapte heel neig, maar het was last de verkeerde kant. Ja, dat is het.
Want, nog een veilig.
Als ze naar ooit juist neergevlogen.
Ja.
Ja. In 2018 als jonge dag.
Hier is naast de smos.
Kwam heel waard van. Heel waard.
Van de nauwe nog. Dat een van de nauwe nog.
Van de oude van me.
Ja.
Ja. Hier in de pijn alle wegen.
Ja, dat andere bij mij ook een beetje, hè, maar. Nou, het kan zijn, hè. Ja, voor mij weet ik koppig en dat is precies niet. En
Vliegt jij er?
ooit is de witte kop nog niet van boven zijn.
Oh wel, denk ik.
Dat is slecht vallen. De witte kop, ja. De neonman, ja. Die is slecht dat dat valt. Kom, come on, ja. Kom. Die is nog niet naar de zon. Oei.
So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about how these guys arrived. Looks like I'm filming against the sun. So yeah, we actually had all these birds in the race. I believe there's still some missing, like 2 or 3. These are... What's that guy doing? Oh, he's eating. So yeah, we actually had 2 really early birds this time. It was the 833 old cockbird. That was ace pigeon in 2019 as a yearling. So, but I don't know where he is. Probably in here somewhere. He has the 2018 band. Yeah, that's the one sitting the closest. That's him. So yeah, he was really early. He didn't drop that good. But yeah, you will still have a good price. And that's his hen. Didn't fly too good. But yeah. And then that was it for the old birds. On the top loft, obviously, you'll see a lot of birds drop on the top loft. Because we had 13 birds in the race. And we only had 1 young bird. Because we only have 1 young bird in shape at the moment. Because she's on nest. And the rest isn't on anything. They're actually molting. So yeah, let's take a look. I don't know which one it is out of the top of my head, but that's an old hen. I think that might be, I don't know, that's 611. That's also a good bird. Looks like they're carrying nests again. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Nope. But yeah, one of these guys was home at the same time, like 3 minutes past 10, just like the old bird was also home at the same time. Basically dropped at the same time. But yeah. See, they're starting to carry nests again. So yeah, that's what's going on this loft. We'll be playing again once they're all have their new feathers again and they're starting to fly better again. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's what happened to this race. So I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time. So we're looking at the result sheet right now. We didn't get anything on the first piece of paper, the first sheet, but on the second one we did. Look there, that's 833, that's the old bird. As you can see, he's from 2018. And then not much later after that we got the young bird, which is a 2069. This was our first signed one. the only young bird that we were expecting. Only young bird in the race actually. So yeah, only young bird with a nest. So, and this guy doesn't even have a nest yet. And no, not a single old bird has a nest yet, and they still need to get in shape. So these guys will be flying a bit earlier once time goes on. Let's see what they did at club level. This was federation. So at the club we got 16th and 19th out of 200. Out of 213 birds. So yeah, that's not too bad. But it can be way better. And in the federation race there were 847 birds. And we got 75th and 94th. So that's almost 10% first, so yeah, that's not too bad I guess.